In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text and images in Webflow. If you're ready to make your website more dynamic and engaging, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To start off, we're going to head over to Webflow's main page. Webflow is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create a custom website, and its visual website builder makes it accessible even if you're not a coding expert. So, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Webflow's site. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Login at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but that's a topic for another day. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is essentially your command center where all your projects are neatly organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space. It's where you'll manage, create, and edit all your web projects. From here, locate the project you want to animate. Simply click on it to open up the project canvas. This is where the magic happens. Once you've loaded your project, you'll want to identify and click on the text or image you want to animate. Selecting the right element is crucial, as it determines where your animations and interactions will take place. After selecting the element, direct your attention to the right side of the screen and click on Interactions. This little tab is your gateway to creating engaging animations that can bring your website to life. Within the Interactions panel, look for Element Trigger and click on it. This feature allows you to specify what action will initiate your animation. For example, you might choose a hover action if you want the animation to occur when someone hovers over the element. Next, it's time to choose a trigger. Webflow offers an array of trigger options, such as scroll, mouse movement, or even page load. Think about the user experience you want to create when selecting your trigger. It should feel natural and seamless. Once you've picked your trigger, you can delve into the fun part. Configuring the animation itself. Although the video doesn't detail this part, remember to play around with different settings to achieve the effect you desire. Maybe you want your text to fade in smoothly, or your images to slide in from the side. Whatever you envision, spend some time experimenting. And there you have it. You've now animated an element in Webflow. With these steps, you can add a dynamic flair to your website, catching the eye of visitors and keeping them engaged. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!